dive straight in, shall we? Picture this, a bustling factory, humming with activity. Workers dutifully inspecting products, ensuring they meet the standards. This scene, my friends, is the essence of quality accepted level. But what does it mean exactly? Well, it's a statistical measure used in quality control. It's a predetermined limit of acceptable defects in a product batch. Simply put, it's the maximum number of defects that can be considered acceptable. Imagine a chocolate factory. The manager sets a quality accepted level at 5%. Now, in a batch of 1,000 chocolates, up to 50 may have minor imperfections and still be deemed acceptable. Maybe a chocolate is slightly misshaped or has less filling than standard. These minor defects do not affect the overall quality of the product, yet they fall outside the strict standards. However, if the defect rate exceeds 5%, the whole batch may be rejected, or additional inspection might be required. Why? Because it indicates a potential issue in the production process that needs addressing. Think about a car manufacturing plant. Every vehicle that rolls off the assembly line isn't just a machine. It's a promise of safety, efficiency, and reliability. If the quality accepted level for brake assembly is set at 2%, and the defect rate surpasses this limit, it raises a red flag. It's not just about one faulty car. It's about addressing a potential systemic issue to ensure every vehicle meets the safety standards promised to customers. So, quality accepted level is a critical component of quality control. It's a delicate balance between maintaining high standards and understanding that no process is flawless. It's about setting a realistic expectation of quality that still strives for excellence. To sum it up, quality accepted level is a statistical measure used in quality control, setting a predefined limit of acceptable defects in a product batch. It acts as a buffer, allowing for minor imperfections that do not affect the product's overall quality. However, if the defect rate exceeds the quality accepted level, it indicates a potential problem in the production process that requires attention. Whether it's chocolates or cars, quality accepted level ensures that the products you receive meet the high standards you expect. Quality accepted level is about more than just numbers. It's a commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. In a world that's constantly evolving, where quality matters more than ever, understanding the concept of quality accepted level is crucial. It's not just about making products, it's about making promises and keeping them. It's about striving for perfection, but also acknowledging that perfection is a journey, not a destination. It's the balance between reality and aspiration, the roadmap to continuous improvement. So next time you bite into a chocolate or drive a car, remember the quality accepted level that ensures your experience is nothing short of excellent.